Leadership is often described as having a vision and making the right decisions. But in reality, leaders rarely have all the answers. Markets change, technology evolves, and customer expectations shift. Most important decisions are made with incomplete information. The goal is not to eliminate uncertainty. The goal is to move forward despite it. Great leaders ask a different question. Instead of asking, "What is the perfect decision?" they ask, "What is the best decision we can make with what we know today?" They gather facts, understand risks, and remain open to changing course when new information becomes available. One useful approach is to separate decisions into two groups. Some decisions can be reversed, others cannot. If a decision is reversible, move quickly and learn from it. If it is difficult to reverse, take more time. This simple framework helps leaders avoid both overthinking and rushing. When the path is unclear, leaders practice strategic centering. They return to a few important questions. Who do we serve? What value do we create? What capabilities make us different? When circumstances change, these answers become anchors for making difficult choices. Satya Nadella's transformation of Microsoft is a good example. He did not simply launch new products. He shifted Microsoft's thinking from protecting existing businesses to embracing cloud computing and a culture of learning. The future was uncertain, but the strategic direction was clear. Netflix made another difficult decision. Its DVD business was successful, yet it invested in streaming before the market was fully mature. Adobe made a similar shift from selling software licenses to subscription services. Both decisions involved risk. Waiting for complete certainty would have meant waiting too long. Leadership also requires grit. Grit is not about refusing to change. It is about staying committed to a meaningful goal while remaining flexible about how to achieve it. Sometimes persistence means continuing. Sometimes it means changing direction based on what we learn. During the COVID pandemic, leaders across industries faced difficult choices every day. Many businesses had to decide about remote work, customer engagement, supply chains, and employee well-being without having complete information. Progress came through small, thoughtful decisions made consistently over time. The same is true for small business owners. Every day, they decide when to hire, when to invest, and when to launch something new. They rarely have perfect data. Yet businesses grow because leaders make reasonable decisions, learn quickly, and adapt when needed. Great leadership is not about always being right. It is about being clear about what matters, making thoughtful decisions with imperfect information, and remaining willing to learn along the way. Leaders do not wait for certainty. They build confidence through action, reflection, and continuous learning.